Hey everyone, just doing a follow-up on the TH400 build. The car is complete. We have a couple other little unrelated things to do to it before we turn it back to the customer, but the 400's part of the build is complete. I just wanted to show you, another video of how it operates. So, car's in park. We'll try to start it without pushing the brake pedal. And we can see that it doesn't, so we do have a brake. We have a brake neutral safety and park neutral safety switch. So we'll start it up. And then, as you can see, when we go into reverse, the reverse camera comes on. Obviously the reverse lights are on at the back, but everything still works. Reverse camera still operates, the lines turn. So neutral, first gear, just in the parking lot here. Roads are a little too scummy to take it out. So yeah, there it is. Complete operating TH400 swap. So neutral, first, second, third, that's the end of it. And with a shifter, you can, with one hand, go upshift, downshift. There's no ratcheting motion with, or dual motion, having to squeeze the lever. It's all one motion. And then obviously when you get back up to reverse, it's a reverse lockout. Just pop the reverse pin up, go back up into park. So that's it. Hope you guys like it, and if you have any questions, post them in the comments.